Fun fact, buffalo wings don't come from buffaloes because they don't have wings. The term buffalo wings came from the city where they were invented. A restaurant owner in Buffalo, New York, gave spicy wings for a late night snack. Then put them on the menu as buffalo wings the very next day.
These were covered in the fridge, trying to dry out the skin as much as possible. All right, everybody, you know the drill. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Cut that off, flip it around. Find that cartilage. Don't find it, pressure works too. That's garbage, keep these other two. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Alright, these look absolutely amazing. I'll start off today with what I'm drinking. We have a Space Dust IPA from Elysian Brew Company, based off in Washington State, made from Washington State. I love the IPAs where it tastes like you're licking a pine tree. Absolutely delicious. Love that analogy. I can't claim for myself, coworkers said it to me. Absolutely hilarious. I'm gonna start off now with let's start off with a hot one. So I did two different wings. Might be kind of hard for you to tell which ones, might be kind of hard for you to see. I actually did a separate sauce on the wings themselves. I did this here is just truff sauce and butter. Can't wait. So I no ingredients went in this thing. It's just, it is what it is. It's gonna be super spicy and I can't wait. Actually no, let's eat the Parmesan and garlic first. So on top you got just so much cheese and Parmesan and garlic. Oh, I can't wait. That's good. Oh, how many birds just flew by? I think they live in the tree just over there, so they frequent the house. That's delicious. I approve that message. Go ahead and cleanse the palate. That being ready to go. Alright, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be spicy. That's good. It's so good. Not much else to say. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're enjoying the new fun fact we're doing with the sous chef. She's busy doing some homework or taking a bath or something, so she's gonna be out here for the finale. Probably good anyway. I don't think she liked the spicy one. She's picky with her wings too, so it's probably better that she wasn't couldn't come out here for it. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Down below, there's some buttons and a bell. Supposedly you're supposed to do something with them. Who knows? Do what you need to do. Come back. We got a lot more stuff, fun stuff planned. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.